One thing that I loved seeing was the rebound among younger and more diverse donors in this year's data. Last year, we saw kind of a dip with those groups. But this year we had Gen Z really made a resurgence. They came back. They make up 10% of the social donor pool. And we know that that's really even higher because we could only survey folks who were 18 or older due to legal restrictions. So there are a lot more social donors out there in Gen Z that we couldn't even reach with this report. We also saw that Black donors made up 17% of the social donor pool this year. Hispanic donors grew to 23%. And something that's really interesting is that all of these groups actually over-index in social giving compared to the general population. So even millennials, they're at 35% of the social donor pool versus 28% in the general population. And Hispanic donors had a really big difference too, 23%, I believe, compared to 16% in the general population. So it's just exciting to see more diverse donors back in the data this year. It really speaks to the potential for more inclusive, welcoming campaigns that can continue to grow participation across all demographics. And I think one other thing to touch on, 55% of surveyed social donors actually said that a campaign being inclusive or welcoming motivated them to give. That was one of their major generosity motivators. And that's up 10 percentage points from last year. So significant jump. So there's an important signal for nonprofits about being intentionally inclusive, especially with these social fundraising campaigns.